Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be for the sign of Virgo for the month. Whenever you're catching this reading, what is going to happen for the sign of Virgo 1 month? So we'll be pulling cards for your work, relationship, health, and overall energy and your guidance. Let's see what is happening for the sign of Virgo this month. Hermit as bottom energy. This is your intense energy, intense Mercurian energy for Virgo. You're thinking something through. You're going through some big changes, being alone and inner guidance, and all those things seem to be the theme over here. The Queen of Swords, the Eight of Swords, High Priestess, Seven of, and the Justice. So वर्गो यहाँ पे कुछ बड़ी चीज़ की बात हो रही है. दिस इज समथिंग लाइक somebody is getting married here, somebody is getting divorced here, like this big things, but big things are among the options, that other things that you have to do. Okay, let's begin from the work situation. With the Queen of Swords here, I feel Virgo, you are maybe bored at work, maybe or there's a lot of work that you have to handle. You can be managing things during this time. There is a lot of inner strength that you have, and but you may feel undecided कि जो भी आप work कर रहे हो, it may not feel permanent, it may feel like undecided yet. So at work, but still there is clarity. It's not like it is like a little bit burdensome work, but it is still clear. It's clear, and you still have the power, it seems. Now for the Eight of Swords as the card for a relationship, you may feel stuck in a connection, or you may feel you being trapped. However, you're the one keeping yourself in this situation. So this can be a mental trap. If you are in a relationship and you feel trapped, or if you're single and you feel trapped, I want to tell you that the problem here is with the mindset that you may be carrying, or that you may be having right now. Okay, Virgo, this is what it looks like over here. And why? Because it is time for you to get your mind back. तो why is the relationship? ऐसा हो सकता है कि relationship में इतनी कोई problem ना चल रही हो, या तो फिर relationship आपको बहुत ज़्यादा distract कर रहा हो, या तो सामने वाला एक ऐसा इंसान है जो बहुत ज़्यादा आपको distract कर रहा है, आपके घर में ही घुसा हुआ है, बिल्कुल आपके दिमाग में घुस गया है. Either the person is very distracting, and or you are yourself distracted. You do not know where your focus should lie. There is a lot of illusion, there is a lot of choices in relationships, and you feel trapped, you feel stuck, you feel but this indicates towards some self-limiting beliefs. Whenever there is an Eight of Swords, there is always talk about beliefs, there is talk about something inner critic, something haunting you from behind. Okay, so some way you have to work on this, and you can, if you feel stuck, it is showing like some this victim mentality here. You can be having dual minds about your current relationship and the situations, Virgo, and it is time to maybe talk things out. If this is actually, you are in a relationship and you're feeling this way, then you need to talk things out. And if you're single and you're feeling this way, there is some anxiety related with relations that you need to talk with someone, release it, come to a place where you're not feeling bound by the other person. Rather, you are feeling you can express yourself and you can be yourself with your partner. So some way you need to be more of yourself with your partner, and there can be some imbalance there. And I'm not trying to blame you here or whatever, but some way you're not expressing yourself enough. So or you are not emotionally balanced enough to perform well in a relationship, and that needs to be taken care. For the health, there is High Priestess. It indicates that it's the time to turn, trust your instincts and your gut feeling. Pay attention to your dreams, pay attention to your gut, during this time. High Priestess as the health card, it can be saying that maybe your psychic self knows maybe your higher self, your psychic self knows what you want for health, and you need to realize it too, and see the symbols that the universe is sending you. Maybe it's time for some detox also. And this is a mysterious health situation. So I would suggest that you go for a detox and come to a place where you can get in tune with your psychic powers. That will be the optimum thing to do. That will be the best thing to do for you during this time. Overall energy is the Seven of Cups, which shows some unrealistic expectation or ideals that you might be having. I feel that there is too many choices that you have, or too much things that you get lost and you get pulled, in different directions during this time a lot. And not everything needs to make sense. If this is overall energy, meaning it's not in your hands. So many things are calling you. So many things do need your attention. So what to do during this time? That is why I said take care of your health, take care of getting in touch with your intuition. जो भी सारा माजरा है आपका माइंड क्रिएट कर रहा है, सामने कोई प्रॉब्लम दिख ही नहीं रही है. सामने क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आपको जस्टिस करनी है, आपको राइट चीज़ करनी है, आपको इंटीग्रेटेड रहना, आपको करेक्ट चीज़ करनी है, आपको फेयरनेस के साथ चलना, आपको लॉ के साथ चलना, आपको जो भी एक होता है ना कि ये जो है गुड कर्मा और ये करेक्ट चीज़ है, जस्टिस तो यही है. तो वो ही काम आपको करना है. आपको यू हैव टू डू द करेक्ट थिंग, यू हैव टू डू द बैलेंस थिंग, यू हैव टू डू द फेयर थिंग. ओके, but while you have to do all the fair to everyone, you're getting distracted, you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling all this thing, you're feeling unclear. That shows that there is some mental blockage that is keeping you from or you're shying away from your integrity because there is some mental blockage here. So that's why I said go for detox, go for some throat clarity, go for some clarity where you feel that you can calm down. If you can just calm down, take that as a task, just calm down. Your soul will show you. Your soul will show you. The challenge is to calm the mind. The soul knows where to go. So do that. Do like some kind of meditation, working with Lord Kal Bhairav. Listen to Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Listen to Kal Bhairav chants, and to come to a place, because life requires right now from you extreme clarity, extreme righteousness, and you need to act like you have power. You cannot shy away from taking decisions during this time. So if that is making you feel trapped, it's not fair. Mars Saturn, yeah, this is talking about again, something is set in stone, something is decided, and you may be shying away from it, or you may be, yeah, ये आपके कर्मों का ही फल है. Whatever is happening right now, you voted for it all along, and now here there में तो अभी एक ऐसा सिचुएशन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आप विक्टिम हो. अगर आपको विक्टिम फील हो रहा है ना कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, try to see how you played all along, how you could have avoided the situation in the past, but you thought chalo jaane do, and you just walked with it, and now that you are in it, you may feel all this way. So this is this threshold, this is this Mars Saturn energy, which is always like a, Mars is your blood, Saturn is your karma. So whatever you're carrying, blood as in your tendencies, what you were born with, your energy, your DNA, that with the karma that you have created is coming together and showing you whatever it is showing you. Something is set in stone over here, something is asking for, अगर आपको इसको पूरी सिचुएशन को चेंज करना है तो भी आपको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको इस पूरी सिचुएशन को ऐसे जैसे चल रही वैसे ही चलाना है तो भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. इन बोथ केस देयर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन हैपनिंग फॉर यू वर्गो. सो स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन आपको इस वक्त लेना ही लेना है. और नेपट्यून यहाँ पे जो है बाकी कार्ड्स के साथ, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है या तो आप किसी वे में क्रिएटिव चीज़ की हेल्प ले सकते हो, क्रिएटिव वर्क करो तो उससे आपका माइंड जो है काम होगा, और या फिर दिस इज़ डिपिक्टिंग कि आंसर्स आर इन कन्फ्यूजन्स, आंसर्स आर गोइंग थ्रू द कन्फ्यूजन, द ओनली वे इज थ्रू. Priestess, how are you being called to step up and lead? Another card for priestess over here. So there are two priestess here. Okay, so you're definitely being called to lead, and you're creating heaven on earth some way. वर्गो, आपको ये चीज़ समझनी पड़ेगी, डूअरशिप का कॉन्सेप्ट आपको हटाना पड़ेगा अपने माइंड से. यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट, इट इज़ हैपनिंग थ्रू यू. इट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग टू you, it is happening through you, it is happening for you. Okay, you need to come back to who you are very strongly, very strongly. I'm feeling it here. You have to say yes to life. You're being life negative by thinking that you're a victim or you have too much or somebody is a bad person. You're being life negative. You have to say yes to life, and you have to do it from a space of all knowing, from being all powerful. not feeling that I'm small and I can't do anything. No, you are the chosen child of the God. You are the chosen one. Through you, things are happening. It is happening through you, not to you. So you can make the change. So come to that place where you have right understanding about who you are. The real answers that you're looking for are lying in who you are, knowing who you are. And there is some creativity coming through here. Maybe you have a very creative mind, you have like this vision of some vision is there. Work with that, work with your visions. If you have visions, if you have dreams, work with them and try to make a difference through your personal power, Virgo. This is what I would suggest looking at your reading. If this resonates, leave a like or a comment. You can also check other readings on this channel. Ways to contact me for a personal reading are also in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.